Hello dear, and this type of gantry lifting robot may more suitable for your requirements. This is our factory, and you can see if your material is here and your feeding table is here, then the gantry can get material from here and then put into your feeding tables. And this is the control panel. We got English menu, and this is a servo control system and electrical. Okay, now we come to the control panel, and this is the main page. And when we first install the machine, we press return to original, and then the robots will come to the initial position. And here is the automatic start and stop. And here we got manual control. This is very easy. If we put right, then it go right. If we press down, it will come down. If we press up, then it go up. So this is very easy for the manual control. And here is we can choose the speed. This is the low, middle speed, and high speed for the any movements. Okay, let us go back. And then here we got a parameter setting. Okay, we type in setting code, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and enter. And when we first tune in the machine, this information may be a little bit important. This is just for setting for the speed to make sure that the speed can catch up your production lines. And here you can see the X suction means from which position to get your material. And this is the Z suction means from which height to get your materials. And this is two position for because this machine is very large, and here is a material here, and it can place here or place here. We got two positions to release the material. So we can use these two numbers to tell the machine to release material, the first section, the second section, where is the position to release the material. Okay, this is the Z release. And this number, how to set? We have to be back to the manual control model and use this. For example, we have to move it right. Move it right. Okay. if your feeding roller tables is here, and for example, it is here is feeding rollers, and the height is like this, and then we make it go down manually come down. Okay, for example, your feeding tables is this height, and when we manually lower it here, if this sensors touch the height, then that is the real feeding height. There we got a number that is 839. For example, we can make it 840. Okay, we go back and come to parameter. And set this to 840. Then each time it come to here, it will release the materials. Okay, we go on. This is a moving altitude. This number means when this lifter get your material, from which height it do transportation, so that it's not dangerous to the workers, not dangerous to the other plants. So by change this number, we can set the height. This height also set on this manual model. Use this. You can see this number is changing, go down, and this number is changing, and you can see which height number is suitable, and then we go back. To set these numbers, type in the numbers, which is a suitable height. And the waiting altitude means if there's any problems or the machine detects there's no materials, the machine will stop and wait at a certain height. And this is mainly very high to make sure that it's not dangerous. So this is the waiting height. And the suction time, you can set it faster or slower. And release time also is for the vacuum or stop of the vacuum. This is the release time. Okay, so you can see the control panels is very easy to set. This is the first interface, and there is a manual control, up, down, left, right for manual setting. Let me go back. Okay. A manual manual setting, we can set the moving speed, lower, middle, high speed. I go back. There is the main data of the machine, and here is the parameters. We type in 1, 2, 3. And here is just a parameter we just explained. Very simple. And this is a vacuum lifter. Without you can see this is soft cushion materials to protect our materials. And here we got mechanical sensors to detect the materials. Machine we are using the high precision gearing systems, and here is a double slider linear guiding rails, and both for the go up and down and left and right we use heavy duty servo motors.